Hey everybody, I'm outdoors with my indestructible Enya ukulele. Let's see if it stays in tune for the whole video. I want to lead you through a super fun, easy to play 4-chord jazzy tune. You just need these 4 chords to play: G, E7, A7, and D7. This is a song called Let's Throw a Party. This song is in the speakeasy party jazz style of the 1920s. It's not thinking man's jazz. This is dancing, shake your booty jazz. Have a good time and hope you have fun getting playful with it. This is a great song for jamming. My intention is to show you how easy it is to lead this with a group of ukulele players. You know, for 2 reasons, it's a great tune for leading. Number 1, it's the same 4 chords over and over again. Number 2, it's an echo song. So everything I sing, you're going to echo it back. I'll do my best to sing the echoes on this side of my mouth, but please join in, sing the echoes with me. You know, you can learn to play these chords in lots of different ways and take a rhythm solo too. And I'm going to be teaching lots of different ways to play these chords and how to take a rhythm solo. There's a link in the video description below. It's this month's bonus lesson for members of the Ukulele Zen community. So let's throw a party. Let's jam this tune together, have a great time. And if you want to go deeper, check the links down below. Each and every month, I create all kinds of bonus lessons. You'll get access to a huge library of chord solos, printable tabs, bonus lessons, and song sheets. Check the links down below to learn all the details. You ready to jam? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Let's throw a party. Let's throw a party. Throw it up high. Throw it up high. Dance on the ceiling. Dance in the sky. Let's throw a party. Let's throw a party. Fling a little fling. Fling a little fling. Throw up your arms. Wing-a-ding-ding. Wing-a-ding-ding. Oh, me. Oh, me. Oh, my. Oh, my. Oh, you. Oh, you. Woo-hoo-hoo. I can twist. I can swing. I can dance to anything. So you sing those echoes. Oh, let's throw a party. Let's throw a party. We'll be the host. We'll be the host. You make a cake. You make a cake. I'll make a toast. I'll make some toast. Hey, bunny rabbit. Hey, bunny rabbit. Thumping at the door. Thumping at the door. Mess up your hair. Mess up your hair. Hop on the floor. Hop on the floor. Oh, me. Oh, me. Oh, my. Oh, my. Oh, you. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh, I can twist, I can swing, I can dance to anything. Oh, my granddaddy, he's a holly jolly, holly jolly. He's a rutabaga, rutabaga. He's a hot tamale. Now scat it. Zoop pop baby dum dum the day. Zoop pop baby dum bum ba day. Scooba doo doo boo boo boom bay. Scooba doo doo boo doo copy. Bam 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 bay boom. Bam 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 bam. Zip it bam 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 boom boom bam. Boom ba dum ba dee ba boo boo ba boo doo boo. Na 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 na. Oh me. Oh me, oh my, oh my, oh you. Woo-hoo-hoo. I can twist, I can swing, I can swing, I can dance to anything. Tag it, I can dance to anything. I can dance to anything. Gets your heart pumping on a cold day. Hey, it's still in tune. Thank you for jamming. Did you make it all the way to the end? Leave a comment down below if you're still hanging. Hope you have fun playing this song with your friends. Check the links down below for a song sheet and for other membership perks. Appreciate you joining in. Until we meet again, keep jamming, keep smiling.